Shrika, and now I'm going to be using Android Studio, and I'll be implementing a dark mode in our app. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to be using the plan mode feature from Claude, and we will be implementing this feature together. So I have entered plan mode and I have my prompt ready. So like you can see, even my Android Studio is in dark mode, so I feel like it would be a good feature to add. So I'll just put my prompt here. So I want to add dark mode toggle to my app, and I've also put where I want it to be placed. I want it to be placed with the other filter buttons. When enabled, the background should turn black and the text should turn white. When disabled, it should return to the original light theme. And I just wanted to make sure that this change persists across whenever the app is restarted, so the user doesn't have to turn it back again. So this is what my plan is. So Claude has made up a plan for us for this implementation. I've gone through it. It looks correct. It's talked about like what files to create, what to modify, and it seems pretty much correct. So we can just go quickly over what the technical considerations it has taken is that the themes should persist, so that's there. The button pattern should be same as the other filters and testing checklist. So all of this seems to be correct. So I'm going to click do and then manually approve every edit just in case. Actually, before making any edits, I'm going to save this plan into feature.md as instructed, and then I'm going to, with the help of Claude, write some tests, make sure those tests fail, and then ask it to implement it and make sure the test pass. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So I'll just go ahead and type all of that out. So as you can see, I have asked it to write the tests in dark mode test.java. So now, because nothing is implemented, it's of course going to fail all of these tests. So I'm going to quickly run this. So as you can see, it has tried running those tests and the tests are failing. There's a lot of compilation errors because stuff doesn't exist anymore. So I'm going to now start the actual implementation. So this is just a check-in while it's implementing stuff. As you can see, it's gone through a lot of implementations. One second. It's gone through a lot of implementations already. So here's the to-do list. It's already created the dark mode. Tests have failed. It's created theme manager. It's added dark mode colors to colors.xml. So it's done all of these things. Now we're just doing some like debugging from the test, just seeing what was missed out, and yeah. So after a lot of debugging and running the tests again and again, all the tests have passed. As it says, excellent, all the tests have passed. And it provides us kind of like a summary. It checks that the dark mode exists and can be toggled. It changes background color, toolbar color. And now that all of this has been done, we're going to check it on the app if it's working or not. Before that, let me just quickly run dark mode tester myself to show you that all the test case pass. I'm going to pause it really quickly. As you can see, all test cases have passed, all 7 test cases. I have my small phone running. Now I'm going to run the app. The app is launching. And there you go, there's our little dark mode button. Now I'm going to click it. Oh, as you can see, it works. Our dark mode works. Yay. And then let's see if it persists, I guess. Let me just switch on dark mode, and then I'm basically trying to on dark mode and then exit from the app. So I've decided to close the phone and then start the app again. As you can see, the app is just starting up and it's still in dark mode. So it means that it still persists and you can turn the dark mode off and on. So thank you, Claude, and thank you, CS124.